It is. It is, it is, it is, it is. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing an unboxing for this Revlon Pro collection. It's a dryer, right? But it's a dryer brush. Shut up. Stop punching the face. You can read. Yeah, it's a Revlon Pro Collection Styling Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So, I've already pulled it out the box. I didn't finish unwrapping it, though. Hey, you want the bubble wrap? Take the bubble wrap. Okay, guys.
What happened? What did I do?
This is what it looks like.
Oh my God. Maar op het geval.
And the connection wire. So we're getting ready to crank this baby up. Okay, first off, it has soft and hard bristles.
I dare you to pop all the bubbles.
I need a little bit more light, but
Okay.
it's pink and it's black and it's
Not gonna work.
the handle's pretty good to hold on to. It's in an oval shape, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's in an oval shape. I should have said this at the beginning of the video. This video is not sponsored, and this video is not sponsored, and I'm doing this review on my own. This is not a paid thing. This is just something that, you know, I wanted to do because I just got it today. This will probably replace my other dryer, believe it or not, because Revlon usually has real good stuff. My other dryer is a Conair dryer, and I have had that thing so long that I've broken all the pieces off the comb. So that's what I was doing. Okay. Shut up. Very sleek design. And let's see if I can. I'm trying to. Here's the settings here. But it's blurry, and I'm trying to get it to. There we go. Okay, so the settings are here. We have off, cool, low, and high, which is just one switch here. Normally they have the dryers or the curling irons that you can see the numbers with how hot it is. So I'm going to put you down for a second, and I'm going to plug this bad boy up. Give me the piece down here, the wire down there.
What wire?
Never mind. Sorry it's taking so long. Just give me one quick minute.
10 minutes later.
Shut up. You trying to be funny, SpongeBob?
I'm not funny.
Okay, so we have her hooked up. I didn't take out any of the wiring because I probably want to stick it right back in the box for right now. So let's see. We're gonna do Now I'm gonna go through the settings. Okay, so right now it's off. Let's see. Okay. It's on full setting now, and it's pretty loud. When you twist it, that's how you get this to work down here. You have to twist. Look. See? And then it's kind of difficult to try to do that with one hand and the toe with the other. But if you put it on low, feels like my dryer. It feels like my con air dryer on low. This is amazing. We need to wrap ourselves around this when it gets cold in this house. So we're gonna flip it up one more. Did I flip it? To the high settings and see how that works. Okay, so this is the heat on high. Oh my god, it's hot. And it's loud, but what hair dryer isn't, right? So it has soft bristles inside, harder bristles. You can curl your hair as you're brushing with the dryer. My hair is in braids right now, but I would definitely be trying this out. Let me turn this down. Jesus Christ. So yes, this is pretty cool. Let me unplug it. So yeah, it also has the reset button, and what is it? It's the reset button, and you know these buttons here to if it goes off, you pop it back in, and boom, it turns back on. But this is pretty cool. Like I like this. I honestly I like it more than I actually thought I was going to. I thought it was just gonna be some big old, you know, chunky brush. You brush your hair and it's supposed to, like this other one they have on TV. It's supposed to be. I'm guessing it's for a certain specific type of hair. It's a brush and it has like a hot iron plate in it. It's nothing like this bad boy. I'll tell you that right now. But it's flat and you use it to supposedly straighten your hair as you brush your hair, but for my type of hair it really doesn't get down to the roots like I need it to. And you know, my daughter likes it, so she's been using it. But for me it really doesn't work too much for me because I got that, you know. But this is pretty good. I mean, I can't wait to try it out. I've just recently washed my hair, so, you know. But I can't wait to try it out. You know, even with my hair, I think dry, I may try it out. See, you know, see what it does. But this was a gift from him. I finally get to see him. It was a gift, and I appreciate it because, you know, I'm always looking for a dryer. I always need a hair dryer, you know. So now I have one, and this one I believe is the perfect thing to replace all of my hair dryers. Maybe not my flat iron or my curling iron, because those get closer to the scalp. But I love this thing. It's amazing. The heat, it's hot, it's sleek. You know, the style is real nice. It's not too heavy neither. I mean, I have a bad habit of tossing things, so I may have to sit this down before I get mad at any of my children, because I'll forget and probably end up flinging this thing and be mad. Then my hubby be all mad at me because he spent all this money on it. So but yes, I will toss something at somebody in a minute. Anyway, I hope you like this review, this unboxing actually. So once again, it's not credited to nobody. I just did it on my own. So, hope you appreciate. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.